Right now, one of your competitors just got a full diagnosis of their ad account, a revised media plan, and 5 ready to launch creatives. Before even you finished your morning coffee, you're still switching between 7 tabs. Shopify says the sales are down. Meta says spend looks fine. Google Analytics is inconclusive. Klaviyo is quiet, and not a single tool is talking to another. So you do what every founder eventually does. You call a meeting, you stare at a spreadsheet and say the 4 most expensive words in a business. Let us monitor it. That decision just cost you $2,000 and 3 days that you will never get back. Not because your team is slow, because no human can process 5 different data sources simultaneously, connect the dots, and execute the fix before even the loss compounds. That gap between the brands who know and between the brands who guess is exactly what Strique was built to close. This is Strique, an autonomous revenue execution engine for your brand. So let's dive into the video. Here you do not spend 3 weeks onboarding here. You just sign in with Google and create your organization. So here Strique will ask you for your website URL. You just paste in it and the engine crawls your site to build your brand DNA. And even if you don't have a website, you can just click on I don't have a website. You can just describe your business, and later on in the settings tab under brand profile, you can just see exactly what it fetched: your logo, your core colors, your market positioning, and even your competitors. And if you scroll down, you will see there is much more data. So what this really means is the system instantly understands context. So every single response is specifically tailored to your exact market. Next, you connect the integrations. We have over 14 integrations live right now: Meta, Google Ads, Shopify, Amazon Ads, LinkedIn, and much more. You plug them in so Strique can pull the raw data and see the actual money moving. Without wasting any more time, let's look at the chat screen. We have our Meta account connected, so let's ask the question every founder hates. It's I'm running ads, traffic is coming in, but sales are low today. Tell me what to do. Now, as you see, it's thinking, and it's not a generic AI platform which gives you a generic response. It goes through your campaigns, your ad sets, your all data, your integrations you have connected. It considers all of that and then gives you a tailored response which will actually make sense for your brand. Okay. Now we can see Strique does not give you a pie chart. It fetches your live campaigns and gives you a diagnosis. It tells you exactly why the drop happened and hands you the actionable steps to fix it. And I don't even have to do this fix manually. I just have to copy the fix Strique suggested me and paste it in the chat box, and Strique will do it for me. But it handles deep strategy too. Look at this previous chat. I asked Strique, make me a media plan for next month for this brand. It generated a full interactive dashboard right in the chat. You can see the data has been pulled from the last month's campaign. So it is not guessing how much you will spend the next month. It is actually taking data from your previous campaigns to give a tailored response. The dashboard it built maps out the entire budget framework, the paid media allocation, week by week execution, tracking, and the exact risks to watch. Now you can push the engine even harder. In another chat, I asked for a top to bottom structural audit of the ad account, specifically checking for audience fragmentation and overlapping ad sets. So it handed me a prioritized list of top 3 bottlenecks restricting our CPA, along with the step-by-step fixes. And that is a beautiful dashboard it generated. You can download it as a PDF or docs in one click and send it straight to your team. And even if you want to fix it, just see the fixes, copy the fix, again paste it in the same chat and tell it to execute it. It will do it for you. You don't have to do anything manually. Let's dive into another chat. I dropped a product link in this chat and asked for 5 different types of creatives for my product. You can see my product here. This was a product. I just gave it my product link with this prompt. Generate 5 different styles of creatives for this product, which will increase clicks and reduce cost per result. And in seconds, it handed me premium ready to launch ad creatives, and I can create multiple iterations based on the best performing ones out there in the market. The possibilities here are endless. You can ask Strique to make a high converting landing page. You can ask why people are abandoning their carts. You can build a 30-day media plan, or you can draft influencer briefs based on what actually converts. And for the things you do constantly, you can use this feature called slash commands. These are reusable prompts with preset instructions. Let me show you. Anyone in your organization can just type slash winning creative clone to instantly generate variations of your best ad. Or you can type spend leak audit to find every wasted dollar from the last 7 days. Similarly, you can use multiple pre-given slash commands over here. You can even build your own slash commands. So let me show you. You just have to go to the settings, click on commands and hit new command. Give it a slug, a description and your prompt, which it will follow every time you just use that slash command. Now your whole team can run that exact complex workflow in one keystroke. Now, if you're doing some repetitive tasks daily, weekly or monthly, you can use this crazy feature which is called scheduled tasks. You can set an automation to run daily, weekly or monthly or at whatever time you want. Just click on scheduled tasks, look at the templates we have already built for you. The daily spend monitor, it checks if all your connected ad accounts are actively spending and it flags anything that paused in the last 6 hours. You just click it, tweak the prompt if you want, set your time zone and let it run. Like you can build your own automations in seconds. Like there's no rocket science required here. And you can even invite your entire team to your organization from the members tab in settings. You just need to add their email and invite them. But if you're working on something sensitive which you can't share with your team member, like it can be anything like restructuring the company budget or planning a confidential product launch, you just click here on the private toggle in the sidebar. Now this specific chat is locked and only visible to you. So here's what's actually happening right now while you're watching this. Brands using Strique are waking up to automated reports in their inbox. The teams are executing campaigns which are built overnight and their ad spend is being optimized while they sleep. They're actually compounding their revenue on autopilot. So the brands compounding the growth right now are not smarter than you. They're just using a faster infrastructure. So the founders who move fast will actually get the advantage while everyone else is still thinking in a meeting whether to just monitor it. So log in today, connect your accounts in 10 minutes and wake up tomorrow finally knowing what to fix. And you don't even have to fix it, you just have to chat and Strique will fix it for you. Thank you, bye-bye.